Hello everyone. Now we will study about the hydraulic jump. First of all, we will see what is hydraulic jump. Hydraulic jump is defined as a rise of water level which take place due to transformation of the unstable shooting flow, means supercritical flow, to the stable streaming flow. It means a subcritical flow. We know about what is supercritical flow and what is subcritical flow. Now, when hydraulic jump occurs, a loss of energy due to eddy formation and turbulence flow occurs. Means when hydraulic jump occurs, loss of the energy occurs. Due to loss of the energy, the supercritical flow will increase. This shows the figure Froude numbers and fluid depths across a hydraulic jump. So when Froude numbers becomes greater than 1, then flow will be supercritical flow, and when Froude number is less than 1, then flow is called subcritical flow. So when Froude number increases, the subcritical flow convert into a supercritical flow, and you can see in a figure what is hydraulic jump. Figure shows D2 and D1, that is the depth of the water. So from D2 to D1 it will convert a hydraulic jump. Use of the hydraulic jump. So hydraulic jump is used to dissipate or destroy the energy of water where it is not needed, otherwise it may cause a damage to hydraulic structures. सो हम लोग जो जनरली हाइड्रोलिक जंप कहाँ पे प्रोवाइड करते हैं, तो डैम में अगर आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि एक स्लैंटिंग पोर्शन होता है डैम की अपस्ट्रीम साइड पे. सो वो क्यों होता है? हाइड्रोलिक जंप के लिए. सो हाइड्रोलिक जंप में जनरली क्या होता है कि डेसिपेट हो जाती है आपकी एनर्जी. नेक्स्ट इज इट मे बी यूज फॉर मिक्सिंग ऑफ सर्टेन केमिकल्स लाइक इन अ केस ऑफ वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट्स. सो हाइड्रोलिक जंप की वजह से क्या होता है कि उसमें टर्बुलेंस आ जाता है फ्लो में. जैसे लैमिनर फ्लो होता है और जंप आता है तो उसके बाद टर्बुलेंस होता है, और ड्यू टू टर्बुलेंस वो राउंड घूमने लगता है. तो उसकी वजह से क्या होता है, केमिकल्स अगर हमें कोई पानी में डिज़ोल्व करने होते हैं तो हाइड्रोलिक जंप से डिज़ोल्व हो जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज़ इट मे ऑल्सो बी यूज्ड एज अ डिस्चार्ज मेजरिंग डिवाइस. So we can also measure discharge by the hydraulic jump. Flow under a sluice gate escalators from a subcritical to critical to supercritical, and then jump back to a subcritical flow. You can see in a figure sluice gate is provided. So when flow is a subcritical flow, when we open the sluice gate, subcritical flow convert into a supercritical flow, and when subcritical flow convert into a supercritical flow, hydraulic jump is occurred, and again the flow convert in a subcritical flow after a hydraulic jump. Figures also shows classification of different hydraulic jumps. So there are many types of hydraulic jumps like undular jump, weak jump, oscillating jump, steady jump, and strong jump. So figure number 1 shows a undular jump. In undular jump, zigzag waves are formatting and Froude numbers are between 1 to 1.7 are there. In a weak jump, figure number 2 shows a figure number B shows a weak jump. In a weak jump, Froude numbers becomes 1.7 to 2.5. Third one is the oscillating jump. In a oscillating jump, Froude numbers are between 2.5 to 4.5. In a oscillating jump, turbulence occurs. In a steady jump, Froude numbers are between 4.5 to 9. You can see in a figure number D. In figure number E, strong pump is there. So in a strong jump, Froude number becomes more than 9 or 9. Application of the hydraulic jump. So where we can use this hydraulic jump. So first is, usually hydraulic jump reverses the flow of the water. This phenomenon can be used to mix a chemical for the water purification. Second one is the hydraulic jump usually maintain the high water level on the downstream side. So this high water level can be used for irrigation purposes. So when we have to provide water for irrigation purposes, so we can provide a hydraulic jump in a downstream side. Hydraulic jump can be used to remove the air from the water supply and sewage lines to prevent the air locking. So when air locking occurs in a water supply system or sewage lines, so we can provide a hydraulic jump to remove the air from that. It prevents the scoring action on the downstream side of the dam structure. So next one is the location of the hydraulic jump. The most typical cases for the location of hydraulic jumps are, first one is below the control structure, like a weir, sluice, or used in a channel. As we have seen in that figure, when sluice gate is open, the flow becomes a subcritical to supercritical, and hydraulic jump occurs. So below the control structures like a weir or sluice, the hydraulic jump is there. Second one is when any obstruction is found in the channel. So when like we can take an example of river also. When river is flowing in a laminar flow and some obstruction is there, then the flow becomes a turbulence. So that the flow convert into a subcritical flow to supercritical flow. So that is the one of the location of hydraulic jump. Third one is when a sharp change in the channel slope take place. We can take an example of dam. So in a dam there is a slope in a downward side. So when there is a sharp slope take place, then hydraulic jump is occurred. And last one is at the toe of the spillway dam. So at the toe of the spillway dam there is a hydraulic jump. Effect of the hydraulic jumps. So actually hydraulic jump usually act as an energy dissipator. So it clears the surplus energy of the water. Second one is, due to the hydraulic jump, many noticeable disturbances are created in the flowing water, like eddies and reverse flow. Third one is, usually when the hydraulic jump take place, the considerable amount of the air is trapped in the water, and that air can be helpful in removing the waste in the streams that are causing a pollution. So hydraulic jump also help us to remove the waste from the streams. Hydraulic jump also make the work of different hydraulic structure effective, like weirs, notches, and flumes. Height of the hydraulic jump. So how we can find out the height of the hydraulic jump? So what is height of the hydraulic jump? The difference of the depth before and after the jump is known as the height of the jump. So we can denote the hydraulic jump height of the hydraulic jump as a hj. So hj is a y2 minus y1, where y2 is equal to y1 divided by 2 under root 1 plus 8 fr square minus 1. Length of the hydraulic jump. So length of the hydraulic jump is the distance between the front face of the jump to a point on the downstream where the rollers terminate and flow becomes a uniform, is known as the length of the hydraulic jump. The length of the hydraulic jump generally varies between 5 to 7 times its height. So an average value is usually taken. So length is denoted by Lj. So it is similar to 6hj. This figure shows the energy loss diagram. This diagram